Hey guys, welcome to Outlet PC TV. Today we're going to be talking about one of our most popular products. This is the Bestech ATX 250 12Z Revision D2R power supply. This power supply is a popular replacement power supply for a lot of HP Pavilion, Compaq Presario, eMachines, Gateway, and other big box desktop computer manufacturers. It's sold as a replacement, so it doesn't come with some things that normal power supplies come with, like the power cord. It comes OEM just as is, which is how we can sell it so cheap. The power connectors this has, just to show you real quick, it has a 24-pin ATX main motherboard power connection. It has a P4 4-pin ATX 12-volt CPU power. It has two Molex connections. It has one FDD floppy connection and two SATA power connectors. This power supply is 250 watt. It's ROHS compliant. Buy today from Outlet PC and we can give you a great deal.